Welcome back to Homorment, the place where we dive deep into the latest automotive trends, reviews, and news. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our upcoming content. Now, in today's video, we're going to take a close look at one of the most anticipated scooters of 2025. The Yamaha Aerox 155, a two-wheeled powerhouse that's perfect for city commuting and weekend thrills. This bike is already turning heads, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. The Yamaha Aerox 155 has been a popular model in Yamaha's scooter lineup ever since it was first launched. Combining sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and performance, the Aerox 155 has established itself as one of the top contenders in the 150cc scooter category. As we approach the 2025 model, enthusiastic reshooters and riders alike are eagerly anticipating what Yamaha has in store. Let's break down what we can expect from the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155, from its design and features to its performance and potential improvements. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 is its futuristic design. The aerodynamic lines, sharp edges, and aggressive front end give the scooter a sporty look that is hard to ignore. It screams performance just by standing still. Yamaha has always excelled at blending performance with aesthetics, and the Aerox 155 is no different. The front end features a full LED headlight, which not only looks great but also ensures excellent visibility during night rides. The LED DRLs, daytime running lights, further enhance the scooter's futuristic look while improving daytime visibility on the road. The sculpted bodywork adds to its muscular presence, while the dual-tone paint schemes give it a more premium feel. One key feature that has been carried over from the previous models is the large full-color TFT display. The display is not just a visual treat, but also offers key information at a glance, such as speed, fuel consumption, trip information, and even navigation, depending on how you choose to equip it. The 2025 model retains the sporty stance with a slightly more refined finish. While the bodywork is compact, Yamaha has ensured that there is plenty of room for the rider to feel comfortable during longer rides. The high, flat seat makes it easy to ride for various body types, and the footrests are well placed to accommodate a more aggressive riding posture or a relaxed position. Now, let's talk about what truly makes or breaks a scooter: its engine. The Yamaha Aerox 155 features a 155cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine, known for its peppy performance and efficiency, makes around 15 horsepower and 13.8 kilograms of torque. The 2025 model is expected to maintain or slightly improve on these figures with tuning tweaks, optimizing power delivery and throttle response. Thanks to its variable valve timing, VVA, the Aerox 155 delivers strong low-end torque and excellent mid-range power, ensuring smooth acceleration even at lower speeds. This means that whether you're navigating crowded city streets or zipping through highways, the Aerox will always feel sprightly and responsive. The engine has been designed to deliver a balance between fuel efficiency and performance, making it an ideal scooter for daily commuting as well as casual rides on weekends. In terms of fuel economy, the Aerox 155 is expected to maintain an impressive range, providing both long-distance capabilities and cost-efficient urban transportation. The previous models averaged around 40-45 kilometers per liter. and the 2025 version should offer similar or even better mileage depending on the riding conditions. One area where Yamaha has really focused on the 2025 Aerox 155 is chassis and handling. With an optimized frame and a new suspension setup, the scooter promises a more agile and stable ride. The front features a telescopic fork suspension, while the rear is equipped with twin shock absorbers designed to smooth out bumps and give a comfortable ride even on uneven roads. The suspension has been tuned to offer the right balance between comfort and performance, ensuring that it can handle rougher roads while still providing responsive cornering abilities. The 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 continues to use a lightweight, high-rigidity frame that makes it easy to maneuver through traffic and sharp turns. Coupled with its low center of gravity, the scooter's handling remains precise, making it a joy to ride whether you're navigating tight urban spaces or carving through winding roads. The 14-inch alloy wheels on both the front and rear are shod with high-quality tires, offering great grip on the road. This not only enhances cornering stability, but also ensures that you get plenty of traction in wet or slippery conditions. Safety is always a priority when it comes to Yamaha, and the 2025 Aerox 155 is no exception. The scooter comes equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear, along with a unified braking system that ensures smooth and controlled braking performance, even in emergency situations. This system distributes braking force between both wheels, offering stability and confidence during sudden stops. The 2025 model also comes with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, on the front wheel, which further enhances safety by preventing wheel lockup during hard braking. This is particularly useful in wet conditions or during aggressive braking maneuvers. ABS gives you the peace of mind that the scooter will maintain better control even under challenging riding scenarios. As for rider assistance technologies, the Aerox 155 comes with Yamaha's smart key system, which eliminates the need for a traditional key. This feature makes it more convenient and secure for the rider to start the bike and even open the seat for storing valuables. The Aerox 155 also features a hazard light switch, allowing the rider to quickly alert other road users in case of a breakdown or emergency. The 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 is designed with the rider's comfort in mind, offering several key features that make it ideal for everyday use. One of the standout features is the large under-seat storage compartment. With up to 25 liters of storage space, you'll be able to carry your helmet, gloves, or even some groceries without issue. This makes the Aerox 155 perfect for city dwellers who need a practical scooter that can carry their daily essentials. The seat itself is made from high-quality materials, ensuring that it's not only comfortable for short rides, but also for longer trips. The large ergonomic design helps reduce pressure on your hips and legs, making it a lot more comfortable than many of its competitors in this segment. Another neat feature is the integrated charging port. Located under the seat, this allows riders to charge their phone or GPS device while on the go. For those who rely on their devices for navigation, this is an excellent addition to the Aerox 155, ensuring you stay connected while riding. Yamaha has always been at the forefront when it comes to integrating smart technology into their vehicles, and the 2025 Aerox 155 takes it a step further. As mentioned earlier, the scooter comes with a full-color TFT display, which not only looks great, but offers a wealth of information. On top of that, the Aerox 155 will offer Bluetooth connectivity via Yamaha's Y-Connect system. This allows you to connect your smartphone to the scooter and access various features, such as ride data, phone notifications, and even remote diagnostics. With the Y Connect system, riders can stay on top of their scooter's health and receive alerts for any potential maintenance needs. This is a great feature for anyone who likes to keep tabs on their scooter's performance. When it comes to the price of the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155, it is expected to remain competitive within its segment. While prices vary depending on the region, the 2025 model will likely come in at a slightly higher price point than its predecessors due to the addition of new features and technological enhancements. However, considering the value offered, especially in terms of performance and convenience, the Aerox 155 will still be one of the best deals in the 150cc scooter category. In terms of availability, Yamaha is expected to launch the 2025 Aerox 155 in select markets across Asia and Europe, followed by a potential US release in the later part of 2025. As always, Yamaha will be working with its local dealers to make sure that the new Aerox reaches customers in a timely manner. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 continues to build on the strong foundation of its predecessors while incorporating a host of new features to enhance the rider's experience. With its futuristic design, powerful and efficient engine, advanced safety features, and smart technology, the Aerox 155 is poised to be one of the best scooters in its category. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend adventurer, or someone who just enjoys the thrill of riding, the Aerox 155 offers a well-rounded package that balances performance, comfort, and convenience. With the improvements expected in the 2025 model, Yamaha has once again raised the bar in the scooter segment. So, if you're in the market for a new scooter in 2025, the Yamaha Aerox 155 is certainly one to keep on your radar. Stay tuned for more updates as the official launch approaches, and let us know in the comments what excites you the most about the 2025 Aerox 155. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Aerox 155, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay safe on the roads, and we'll see you in the next video.